We're going to review the top 5 best traveling sprinklers, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Orbit 58322 Traveling Sprinkler. The whole idea of a traveling lawn sprinkler will fascinate with the continued inventions and improvement of gardening tools and equipment. Thanks to these innovations, you can now have your lawn effectively watered without the hassle of having to move your sprinkler around. While there are other brands of best traveling lawn sprinklers, Orbit 58322 is in a class of its own. Its added innovative features make it a popular choice among most gardeners. Number 2. Watering Equipment Rain Train Cast Sprinkler Tractor. This is one of the simplest models of a traveling sprinkler. All that is required of you is to lay your hose in the pattern you want to water the lawn. This product from Raintrain Traveling Sprinkler Reviews will effortlessly travel through that path while watering your lawn. Professionals suggest that this product is capable of watering an area extending to 13,500 square feet. However, they are keen to note that for more improved performance, it is advisable to use it at a distance of 11,900 square feet. They also advise on using a hose with a diameter of about 5/8 of an inch. Number 3. WATEX WX44 Traveling Sprinkler. WATEX WX44 is also among the best traveling sprinklers that you can rely on for watering, even the extra-large lawns such as golf fields. Similar to the Orbit 58322, its body is made using heavy-duty cast iron. The reason behind the use of this material is to ensure that it can last longer. It also guarantees that the remains firmly held to the ground to avoid toppling off. The sprinkle is also self-propelled. It mainly relies on the water pressure to stimulate the internal transmissions that will, in turn, make the wheels turn. Number 4. Underhill Tracker. You can eliminate the need for installing an underground irrigation system with the Underhill Tracker, which can pull 360 feet of 1-inch hose. It will cover an area of up to 2 acres, making it suitable for handling football fields, farmland, and even large cemeteries. Ideal for irrigating athletic fields, cemeteries, golf course roughs, or other large areas where an underground system is impractical. Number 5. Melner Lawn Rescue. The Melner Lawn Rescue features a pair of adjustable rotary arms with a spray diameter of between 15 and 50 feet. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, and a portion of each sale is donated to the National Fallen Firefighters Foundation. Self-propelled sprinkler follows a path you create using your existing garden hose and automatically shuts off when finished.